Hi there! Today, we will be learning about air. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to demonstrate that air presses on every object. Explain why things move in the air. Explain why boats fixed with sails move faster on windy days. And state some applications of air pressure. Are you ready? Let's begin. Air is a mixture of different gases. Air is invisible. That is, we cannot see air. Although air is odorless and colorless, we can feel its movement on other visible objects. Let's try this. Use a piece of paper to blow air on your skin. Can you feel the movement of air? Great job! The atmosphere is an air belt that surrounds the Earth. The pressure exerted by the Earth's atmosphere at any given point is called atmospheric pressure. 1 atmosphere equals a height of 760 millimeters in the column of mercury. Air pressure can be measured using a cool gadget called a barometer. Let's try this little experiment. Fill a glass cup with water. Make sure you fill it to the brim. Now, place a small piece of cardboard on the top of the glass. Gently place your hand on the cardboard and turn the glass upside down and remove your hand. What did you observe? The paper stays and the water did not spill out, right? Great job! The water did not spill because of air pressure. The air pressure exerted from underneath the cardboard is greater than the weight of water in the glass. Some objects move in the air. This is because of the pressure and force on these objects, which creates the pull or push when they are in the air. Examples of living and non-living things that move in the air are birds flying at high altitudes in the air, aeroplanes, helicopters, and space rockets flying with the aid of air pressure, children flying kites. Air pressure is seen and applied in the following ways. The use of pumps in filling stations to pump fuel into a car fuel tank. Pumps can also be used to pump water into overhead or underground tanks for industrial and domestic uses. These activities are made possible because the external pressure is greater than the internal pressure. When the pipe touches the liquid will automatically pump up fuel or water. Pumping of a football or tire, it floats and increases in volume as a result of the increase in the atmospheric pressure of the inflated tire or ball. The use of a windmill to generate electricity. In windmills, air pressure provides force for the mill to swing from side to side. It generates mechanical energy which is converted to electricity. Sailing boats use air pressure in navigation, that is, movement. A sailing boat traveling in the direction of the wind is subject to pressure as the wind pushes it along. The difference in pressure determines the direction of the boat. Today, we have learned that air is a mixture of different gases. Although air is odorless and colorless, we can feel its movement on other visible objects. The atmosphere is an air belt that surrounds the Earth. The pressure exerted by the Earth's atmosphere at any given point is called atmospheric pressure. Air pressure can be measured using a cool gadget called a barometer. Some objects move in the air. This is because of the pressure and force on these objects which create the pull or push when they are in the air. Here are some questions for you to attempt.